Hello everyone, we are here off Bob Bear Trail in Strawberry, Arizona, and we wanted to show you this epic hike that we found a couple weeks ago that we love.
Yeah.
We love it so much we have now done it twice. We did it a couple weeks ago. This is the only trail on our adventure that we've done more than once. Matter of fact, not only did we hike this one again yesterday, but we camped here last night, as you can see. So now we are walking over to the little watering hole. No, it's a waterfall that you'll see here in just a second. One of the reasons we love this area is, well, the fall foliage on the trees, golden leaves still into mid-November now, but also because of the waterfall and the creek and the dam and all the fun water activities that there are out here. There's actually a grotto, at least I think that's what you call it, kind of a cave, a large cave that has water, a pool of water inside it that you'll see here in a minute. So that's what we're hiking out to right now. But check this out. Check out this incredible place. Looking like something out of Alice in Wonderland or something, I don't know. Just some really cool trees and rocks, beautiful colors, and then of course the water.